Sandra here from Creating in Spain. Today my scal bite is concerning auto paste and other paste functions. I have a heart here. If I right click, I can copy. I could also go up to the edit button here and copy from there. Okay, so copy that. Now I have different paste functions. If I just go to paste, it pastes one slightly off from the original, so I can do that. If I do paste in place, it places it directly over the one that I copied, and that has certain benefits when you are copying to paste. And if I move all these out the way, if I go to paste autofill, it will fill the entire page with my items. So that is the auto paste, the copy and paste, and the paste in place.